going on, YouTube? How is everybody doing out there? Hope everybody's doing well. Take a look. As you guys can see, we have the Air Jordan 1 Sports Illustrated. About to give you guys a detailed review and an on feet, so stay tuned for the on feet at the end of the video. Guys, I got to talk to you guys about a couple of things before we get into these shoes, man. First off, I broke my camera. I was about to get ready to give you guys this review. Went outside and had my camera and I dropped it and it just gave up on me. It broke. So I apologize for the quality. I am using my iPhone XS Max. You know, it's the newest iPhone. Supposedly, it got real good quality, but to me, it's not the same as a camera. You know what I mean? And I hope you guys can understand, but I got my new camera coming, so just stay tuned, man. Videos will be different. You know, there's really nothing else I can do right now, so I really want to bring this video out for you guys. Hope you guys enjoy anyway. I want to send a big shout out to my brother, man, Ness1. Always coming through for me. I'm going to leave his information in the description below where you guys can follow him on Instagram. He definitely has one of the best Instagrams out there, so go give my bro a follow. Link in the description. Now, also, before we get into this, make sure, even if you're new, I want you guys to hit that thumbs up. Click that subscribe button, and also don't forget to click the notification bell so you guys can get notified when I upload videos like these. Air Jordan 1 Sports Illustrated. Now I figure I'd give you guys a close-up so you guys can get a nice look at the leather quality on this shoe right here. These released December 27th. Retail is going to be $160. Does come in your typical Jordan 1 box, as you guys can see. Nothing special at all. This shoe, they paying tribute to Michael Jordan. That was the first time he was on a magazine with Sports Illustrated. They got MJ going up, and you got a couple of Milwaukee Bucks players. I'll show you a picture right now. These stripes are from the Milwaukee Bucks jersey. So basically, that's when they noticed a star was born. All right, let's get straight into the shoes, man. Now, we're going to start it off. It does come with 3 laces, all right? It does come with the green laces. You got your red laces, and it also comes with the ones that's on the shoe, the black laces. I'm probably going to use the green ones for the on feet because the green, you know, got the green swoosh, so it'll give it a better pop, I guess. I'm going to show you guys this one right here. As you can see, you got your black leather in front of the toe. Take a look over here. You got your perforated holes with your white on the toe box, and you can see that tumble leather. When I push in, leather is on point, I must say. Real nice quality, very soft leather. You got your black tongue, nylon on the tongue. Got a leather patch here, similar to the Rookie of the Years that came with the leather patch. Now this patch is in red with your black and white Nike Air branding. You got your white on your midsole that goes around the whole shoe. On the swoosh, you got your hits of the green with the white and the red. These colors come from the Milwaukee Bucks jersey. At first, when I first seen pictures of this shoe, I was like, what did they do to this swoosh, you know? Saw them in hand and I saw the swoosh, man. It just looks really nice. The colors pop, and that's a dope little touch right there. You got your Air Jordan on the wing right here with your basketball in red. This side of the shoe, you can see it says a star, and on this side of the shoe, it says is born December 10th, 1984. Let's get to the medial side of the shoe. Same as the lateral, you got your swoosh with the colors on it, with the green, the white, and the red. You got your white on the midsole with your black leather hits. Inside, you got your baby blue inside the inner sole with your white Nike Air branding. Back of the shoe, as you can see, you got your nice leather. They got some real nice quality back here. Look, when I push in, the leather is very, very soft, I must say. Bottom, as you guys can see, your all black outer sole with your Nike Air branding right there. That's basically it. There's been a lot of dope ones that released this year. Definitely happy to add these to the collection. For sizing on this shoe, I do recommend you guys go true to size. I'm a size 9 and they fit perfect, man. So definitely go true to size and you'll be good to go. I want to know what your guys' thoughts are. So let me know in the comments. Is this a cop? Is it a pass? I want to show you guys what they look like on feet. Hope you guys enjoy. It's your boy DS Dan and I'm gone.
Yeah. Real niggas trying to get out, fake niggas trying to fit in. Yeah. That fun shit, man. Yeah. I told my nigga I'm one call away. If you need me there, I lose it all today. We been through so much, look at how far we came. If I go down, you can charge it to the game. I got your back until we meet again. And my heart is where I keep you, friend. Niggas said that they gon' ride, they don't even spin. Niggas said that they gon' ride, they don't even spin. I don't name drop, just blow your brains out. Niggas talking in the streets, steady making the gang hot. If it's beef, it's with the same guys, we got gang ties. I was waiting outside his crib, I wish the nigga came out. School breezy, problem child, head first in these streets. Started with no job, went to work in these streets. Shad City, I think I'm geek, fan first in these streets. If a nigga tried us, we would get murk in these streets. We went from middle school all the way through high school. My first vid on YouTube, it was just me and you. When you pick up the tool, swear you had a loose screw. If a nigga cross you, you would give him a moon roof. And they said my niggas tore the fast. Damn, I wish Davey would've took his mask. Schools called me up like Davey Dad. Who would've know a few weeks later he'll be next? I told my nigga I'm one call away. If you need me there, I lose it all today. We been through so much, look at how far we came. If I go down, you can charge it to the game. I got your back until we meet again.